right, today we're going to show you the Otter rotary grinder. This is a model B24, has a 24-inch diameter chuck or work surface here. We'll just take a quick walk around the machine. First, we have it sitting up here on blocks because it's not going to be permanent. This is a hydraulic unit, and this has all been taken apart. The inside of it has been completely scrubbed out, washed out, and cleaned. New clean oil put into it. Belts here are in great condition. Hoses are all in good condition. We can continue going around this way. This is your hydraulic motor. It's the actual drive for the chuck. You're going to hear this when this comes on. It drives these pulleys, which in turn drives a worm gear, which drives your chuck. Okay, and then this is the wheel slide, which is going to go in and out. This is the rear. This is your piston rod. So we're going to go back around, meet in front of the machine again. Controls are all located in here. This machine is wired currently for 440 volts. It's got a Magnalock made in the USA chuck controller on there. The remote station is mounted up here. You've got your variable and your full. And you've got your on and your demag, and also your amount of magnetism. So right now we have a piece on the chuck which I can just pick up like that. And then when we turn this on, we get the green light there, and then we're locked down nice and tight on here. All right, so this is your slide, carries your grinding wheel. You've got these adjustable dogs that adjust the length of travel. Generally, you don't go above or beyond the center point, and then you come back off of the chuck, or depending on what you're actually grinding. So you can set those up here. This is your reversal lever. The operator can reverse this anytime he wants during the cycle, or stop it by pulling it out. When you push it in, it starts. When you pull it out, it stops. And this down here controls the speed of it. As you increase this to the right, you go faster. As you go all the way down to 0, it'll also stop. This is the control for the chuck. In this position, it's off. In this position, it's on. It's either on or it's off. This controls the actual speed. This is the Bijur lubrication system. It works off of the main pump. Each time the slide goes back and forth, or this lever goes back and forth, it creates a pulse of oil that goes through the whole system and simultaneously lubricates the cross slide or the wheel slide and the up and down slide here, the vertical slide, and whatever else needs to be lubricated. So over here is your wheel guard, your coolant pipe, your cover. We have the very nice wheel hub that goes on this machine. It looks like somebody made it special for this, so it's in really nice condition. Over here is your adjustments. If you want to tilt this magnet up and down, depending on what kind of grinding you're doing, this is all nice and easy to move. The actual feed itself, you feed up with these, not down. It's pretty nice. You can move this in either direction with very little force. All right, so let's go and fire it up. First thing we're going to do is we'll start up the grinding wheel. Now this machine, we're going to start up the hydraulics. Okay, so this will stop it, this will start it. This adjusts the speed. And each time we go back and forth, this arm here goes back and forth with it. They're connected hydraulically. This is your in-feed. When you want to use the in-feed, you have to flip this little hook down, the little tooth. And then it will move it for you. That amount that moves each time can be adjusted. adjustments that are under here. You also have a fine feed here where you can change your stop position to correct for size. Finally, we're going to start the chuck up. That's that hydraulic motor in the back coming into play now. And the speed is adjusted here. And that's pretty much it. That's the Otter B24. We've serviced it. We had the top slide off. We checked all the lubrication. We cleaned everything up nice. We cleaned out the hydraulic system. Went through all the functions. Thank you very much.